To submit a university-wide notice, you must first go to office.ferris.edu. Make sure to log in with your personal Ferris account and not one provided by your department. Otherwise, you will be given an error. Next, you're going to want to click the 9 white boxes in the top left of the screen. Then click on SharePoint. Find the box that says UWN and click on it. You will then be taken to the main page for all university-wide notices. Underneath where it says News at the middle of the page, click Add and then News Post. Do not click New at the top left of the page. Using this method, the UWN will not go through. After clicking News Post, you will be taken to a template screen. Select the blank one and click Create Post. Now you can type whatever you want your title to be, and then your body paragraph. To add a background image, click Change Image on the left side of your screen. From here, you can select any of the recent images or upload your own. For now, we'll just use a recent image. Once you have selected one that you like, you can click and drag this middle button to set the focal point. Once you are happy with the way everything looks, go ahead and click Submit for approval at the top right of the screen. And the last thing you need to do is add a comment with a brief description of your post. Click Submit and you're done. You have just successfully submitted your university-wide notice.